In the heart of Orangi Town, Karachi, a drone gracefully hovers above, capturing the anticipation in the air. This day holds deep significance for many individuals, shaping their sense of identity and community, and various perspectives arise regarding its meaning. Orangi Town, a bustling hub of diverse cultures and backgrounds, reveals its culinary treasures to the eager group. Among them are the famous Bihari kebabs and kachoris, known throughout Karachi for their tantalizing aromas. Little kids Musfira, Musa, Zunaira, and Iman excitedly get ready to experience the day as the group inside the Revo sets out on their journey to observe the sacred occasion of the 10th of Muharram. As the Revo joins the grand procession, the streets come alive with a collective energy, setting the scene for a unique and vibrant celebration. Traditional elements like the beating of dhols and the bhangra dance are observed, representing the community's cultural heritage and historical practices. During the procession, the Taazias carried by the people hold special meaning, symbolizing a day of condolence and remembrance, honoring the sacrifices of the martyrs. The sight of people of all ages, genders, and backgrounds standing together evokes a profound sense of unity and community, as they come together to pay tribute to the martyrs and observe this day in their own way. The community's unique lifestyle and culture, influenced by their history and origins, adds to the rich diversity of Pakistan. On the 10th of Muharram, the people of Orangi Town, Korangi, and Landhi observe a practice that holds a significant place in their hearts, and it is a sensitive matter with varying interpretations among different religious groups. As we witness the various aspects of this event, it becomes evident that the 10th of Muharram holds a profound place in the hearts of many, and it is a day that calls for understanding and respect of different perspectives. Amidst the fervor of the day, Musfira, Musa, Zunaira, and Iman experience a cultural and spiritual journey that will leave a lasting impression on their young minds, shaping their understanding of their heritage and fostering a sense of unity and compassion within them. As they participate in the event, they learn the value of empathy and acceptance for others' beliefs, enriching their appreciation for the diverse tapestry that makes up their community and nation. From the bird's eye view, we see a vibrant town, brimming with houses, each a testament to the dreams and aspirations of its residents. Amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life, we witness the strength and resilience of a community that refuses to be defined by scarcity and challenges. Look closely at the sea of houses, each one a story of hard work and determination. Orangi Town, you are a treasure trove of potential, waiting to be discovered by the world. Your people, with hearts full of hope, carry the spirit of a nation that places unity and progress above all else. As the drone glides above, we can't help but feel the energy that courses through your streets. From every rooftop to every corner, you radiate with a unique charm that captures the essence of Pakistan's rich diversity. From up here, we witness your strength in numbers: 2.5 million souls, each an integral part of the vibrant tapestry that is Orangi Town. Your collective dreams are the foundation of a brighter future, one where opportunities abound and dreams come true. Together, you stand strong, a force that cannot be ignored. I call upon you, residents of Orangi Town, to harness this strength and create a wave of positive change. Let your passion for progress be a beacon of light that guides your way forward. As you watch these drone shots, remember that distance is no barrier to making a difference. Even from far-off places like defense, there are those who share your dreams, who believe in your potential, and who stand beside you in your pursuit of greatness. Embrace the challenges with open arms, for they are stepping stones on the path to success. Your journey will inspire generations to come, proving that from the smallest towns to the grandest cities, Pakistan's potential knows no bounds. Let these drone shots be a testament to the power of a united community, the power of determination, and the power of dreams. Orangi Town, you are on the cusp of greatness. Soar high, and let your aspirations touch the sky. Together, we will witness the transformation of Orangi Town into a beacon of hope and prosperity, where every individual thrives, and every dream finds its wings. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing aerial journey. The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless.